Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can follow or stop following groups in Outlook to change whether or not you receive group email to your personal inbox folder. To follow or stop following a group, select the name of the group in the folder pane in Outlook. Then click the Group Settings button that appears in the Group Name button group, where group name is the name of your group, on the Home tab of the ribbon. Then select the desired inbox following status from the drop-down menu that appears in the Follow in Inbox section of the drop-down menu. This choice determines what group content you want to follow in your personal inbox folder. To completely stop following the group in your inbox, select the No Email or Events choice.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.